Guys, we'll continue with session number 2 of exercise 5C. Okay. So in session number 2, exercise 5C, first I'll be taking question number 13. Exercise 5C, question number 13. Relatively a simple problem, not very difficult. Okay. So now few things are given to us. Given is sine square beta is equal to sine alpha cos alpha. Now this is given to us. And we need to prove something. What we are supposed to prove? We are supposed to prove cos 2 beta is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Okay. Now we'll start with the RHS. RHS is equal to 2 cos square pi by 4 plus alpha. Now let this value be A or let it be theta. Okay, for simplicity. 2 cos square theta. I have given you one half angle formula wherein 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. And if you remember, 1 minus cos 2 theta, it is 2 sine square theta. Okay. So 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta. Now we'll find out the value of 2 theta. So theta is pi by 4 plus alpha, which is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 alpha. Okay, multiply 2 on in the round bracket over here. So this will be 1 plus cos pi by 2 plus 2 alpha. Okay, so this pi by 2 is nothing but 90 degrees. So 1 plus cos 90 plus 2 alpha. Okay, 90 is on the positive axis, plus is anti-clockwise direction. In this particular quadrant, your cos is negative. Okay, and 90 is on the y-axis, cos changes to sine. This becomes sine 2 alpha. So this is 1 minus sine 2 alpha. Now sine 2 alpha, half angle formula we have, it is 1 minus 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Sine 2 alpha, I'm writing it as 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Now sine alpha cos alpha, this particular value they have given to us. They have given this particular value to us, sine alpha cos alpha. So sine alpha cos alpha is nothing but the value of sine alpha cos alpha is sine square beta. Okay, this is sine square beta. Okay, now again, if you remember this, 1 minus 2 sine square beta is cos 2 beta. Half angle formula. The half angle formula says, which I've made you write is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So this formula I have applied over here. It is cos 2 theta. In our case, theta is beta. So this is equal to your LHS. So this is how this problem is proved. Let us go to question number 7. Question number 7, sub question 1. Okay. We have to express cos 6 alpha in terms of cos 3 alpha. So cos 6 alpha. Okay. We have to convert 6 alpha into 3 alpha. Now 6 alpha, if we divide this by 2, then only we'll get 3 alpha, right? Now, whenever the angles is getting divided by 2, we make use of half angle formula. Okay. So cos 2 theta is equal to, there are 4 formulae, but then we require the formula in which only cos term is there. 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos 6 alpha will be 2 cos square 3 alpha minus 1. Half of 2 theta is theta. Half of 6 alpha will be 3 alpha. So this is how cos 6 alpha is expressed in terms of cos 3 alpha. Second one, sin 10 theta in terms of functions of phi theta. Okay, sin 10 theta we need to express in terms of phi theta. Just a second. Now 10 theta, to convert it into phi theta, we'll have to use half angle. You have to divide the angle by 2. So half angle formula. Sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 10 theta will be 2 sin phi theta cos phi theta. Okay. 2 theta got converted to theta. In our case, 10 theta got converted to phi theta. Fine. Third one, tan 8 alpha to tan 4 alpha. So 8 alpha is supposed to be converted into 4 alpha, right? So we'll use half angle formula for tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the basic formula. Now instead of 2 theta, I'll just write 8 alpha over here. So this will be 2 tan 4 alpha upon 1 minus tan square 4 alpha, right? 8 alpha gets converted into 4 alpha. Fine. Now the next problem is quite tricky. See, let's go to question number 4. We have to write cos 2 theta in terms of cos 4 theta. Now this time cos 2 theta has to be converted to 4 theta, that to cos 4 theta. Now this time we are not dividing this angle by 2, but then we are multiplying this angle by 2. Okay. So see now, first I will write down this formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the basic formula. Now I will not write cos 2 theta over here. Okay. Because from left to right, we are dividing the angle by 2. Fine. So I'll write this cos 2 theta on the left hand side. So 2 cos squared 2 theta minus 1. So this 2 theta is replaced with 2 theta. So on the left hand side, this will be 4 theta. The double of 2 theta will be 4 theta. See, try and understand. The first 3 problems were quite simple. We were dividing the angle, but then here we are supposed to double the angle. Okay, so the cos 2 theta part should be on the right hand side, not on the left hand side. Fine. So 1 plus cos 4 theta, what I'm doing is I'm taking this minus 1 on the left hand side is equal to 2 cos square 2 theta. Okay, then divide this entire thing by 2 is equal to cos square theta, cos square 2 theta. Okay, therefore cos 2 theta equal to square root of 1 plus cos 4 theta by 2. Fine. Next problem. Let us go to question number 5. Tan 4 5. Tan 4 5. We have to express this in terms of cos 8 5. Okay. So now here we are doubling the angle. We are not dividing 4 5 by 2. We are multiplying 4 5 by 2. So this 4 5, this particular thing should be on the right hand side of a particular formula. So the choice of the formula is very important over here. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this formula I'm going to use. Okay. Now this theta I'm going to write it as 4 theta. Tan square 4 5, sorry, not theta. 1 plus tan square 4 5. So this will be cos. What will be the angle? Okay, if theta will become 2 theta, 4 5 will become 8 5. 4 5 will become 8 5. Okay, so this is cos 8 5. Now we are supposed to write tan 4 5 in terms of cos 8 5. So now first we are going to cross multiply this. Cos 8 5 into 1 plus tan square 4 5. Tan square 4 5 is equal to 1 minus tan square 4 5. Okay. So next step, I'm just going to multiply this. Cos 8 5 plus cos 8 5 tan square 4 5 is equal to 1 minus tan square 4 5. Okay. Now I require the value of tan 4 5, right? So the underlying terms are having tan 4 5. I'll keep those terms together. Okay. So cos 8 5 tan square 4 5 plus tan square 4 5. And these two terms, I'll keep it on the right hand side. They don't have tan 4 5 along with it. So 1 minus cos 8 phi. So take tan square 4 phi common over here, and this will be cos 8 phi plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos 8 phi. Now tan square 4 phi will be, just cross multiply the round bracket to the right hand side. Tan square 4 phi is equal to, okay, it will be 1 minus cos 8 phi upon 1 plus cos 8 phi. 1 minus cos 8 phi upon 1 plus cos 8 phi. So tan 4 phi is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 8 phi upon 1 plus cos 8 phi. Okay, so tan 4 phi is expressed in terms of cos 8 phi. Let us go to question number 6, sub question 6. Okay, sin phi by 2. We have to express this in terms of cos phi theta. Sin phi theta by 2 in terms of cos phi theta. Now we are doubling this. So this term should be in the right hand side of a particular formula. So the formula selection is cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so this will be 1 minus 2 sin square phi theta by 2. 2 theta can be written as phi theta by 2. Okay, then 2 theta. Sorry, this should be theta. I'm really sorry. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 2 theta becomes 5. This particular theta becomes 2 theta over here. So phi theta by 2, the double of phi theta by 2 will be phi theta. So this will be cos phi theta, right? Okay. Now we need to get the value of sine in terms of cos. So I'll shift this term on the left hand side. 2 sin square phi theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos phi theta. Cross multiply that 2 over there. 1 minus cos phi theta upon 2. This will be square over here. Eliminate the square. You'll get root 1 minus cos phi theta by 2. Okay, fine. So this is how we express sin phi theta by 2 in terms of cos phi theta. Next term, next problem, that is question number 7. Okay, cos 20 theta in terms of sin phi theta. So 20, if we divide it by 2, we'll get 10, and 10 further again, if we divide it by 2, we'll get phi theta. So this time we are not multiplying, this time we are dividing. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, so cos 20 theta will be 1 minus 2 sin square 10 theta. 10 theta is the half of 20 theta. So now cos 20 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin 10 theta the whole square. Trigonometric function with a power. The power goes outside. Now sin 10 theta. Sin 10 theta can be written as, again apply half angle formula over here. It will be written as 2 sin cos. Okay, because sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. So sin 10 theta will be sin phi theta cos phi theta. So in the next step, this round bracket I'm going to replace with this. So cos 20 theta is equal to 1 minus 2, this whole square over here. Sin 10 theta is 2 sin phi theta cos phi theta. 2 sin phi theta cos phi theta. Okay. So 1 minus 2 into 4 sin square phi theta cos square phi theta. So this will be 1 minus 8 into sin square phi theta, and this cos square is written as 1 minus sin square. Cos square is 1 minus sin square. Okay, by fundamental identity. It's not half angle, it's identity. So 1 minus 8 sine square phi theta into 1, that is the same thing. This minus and this minus is plus. I'm multiplying this term with both the terms. Okay, plus 8 sine raised to 4 phi theta. Fine. So this is how we express cos 20 theta in terms of sine phi theta. Okay. So that is the end of this particular exercise that we are doing, that is Fyisc. Okay. Thank you.